Holy cow, who are you?
I'm Trenton.
Trenton, what are we doing?
We're skydiving.
Jumping out of the sky with a stranger
Yeah.
today. You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
Absolutely.
You're nuts. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
So it's your fault if this goes wrong and we don't make it to your next birthday?
That's all right.
Any last words, final comments, confessions?
No, let's have some fun.
For me, it's the same every time. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all buried in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun.
Yeah,
High five,
bro.
here we go.
Hell yeah.
All right, here we go, bro. You ready? Woo, let's get up and out of this thing, go have some fun. You are nuts. High five. What do you think, man?
Awesome. Hell yeah.
Yeah, you did great. Hold on, right one all the way down.
All right.
All the way down. Yeah, all the way. Woo! Nice. Woo! Woo! Good. Hold it up one down. Woo!
This is so badass.
Woo!
Fuck yeah, baby.
Either direction.
Either direction?
Either way. All right, we made it back. What do you think of that?
Awesome.
You did great, man.
So
You
badass.
can do that again someday?
Oh, I'm coming.
Next time you can play with my balls, I'll let you open the parachute, okay?
I'm down.
Good job,
Only time
Skydive
I'll play
Colorado
with the
Springs.
balls.
Woo! Woo!